শিবলিঙ্গ আনায়ন করি এই স্থানে, প্রতিষ্ঠা করিব আমি শাস্ত্রের বিধানে। যে মন্দিরে হবে নিত্য পূজা আরাধনা, মন্দির চত্বরে হবে ধর্ম সমালোচনা। আপাতত এইমাত্র রাখিলাম বলি, পরে প্রয়োজন মতো বলিব সকলি। প্রতিষ্ঠা দিবসে বাবা লোকনাথ নামে গাহিল কীর্তন সবে মহাধুমধামে। শত শত ভক্তি আসি হইল প্রসাদ, জাতি ধর্ম নির্বিশেষে নাহিক প্রবাদ। লোকনাথ নামে সবে জয়ধ্বনি দিয়া, পিতা বলি লয় তারে সক্রিয় করিয়া। ডাকিয়া সন্তানটিকে বাবা লোকনাথ কহিলেন প্রসারিত দাক্ষিণের হাত। অন্তরের আশীর্বাদ আর ভালোবাসা প্রসাদ করিয়া তিনি মিটিলেন আশা। সেই হতে আশ্রমের সিদ্ধ পরিবেশ, 12 দিন নিবাসী সবে পায় শান্তি এসে। বাবার দর্শন লভি মধুর বচনে, জুড়ায় হৃদয় সবে আনন্দিত মনে। যার যাহা প্রয়োজন করিলে প্রকাশ, বাবার কৃপায় মিটে সর্ব অভিলাষ। সন্তানের তরে তিনি বাঞ্ছা কল্পতরু, দৃষ্টি দ্বারা দীক্ষা দেন পেয়ে সদ্গুরু। যে আসে তার কাছে
Those who are interested, we all gather together and read anything higher, a book for higher thinking, for peace of mind, and to let our heart and soul for upliftment. That's our trial, and that we personally we may read any light books and all, but in this study circle we read books which are full of high thoughts and spiritual feelings. We make aim is to uplift our own self in higher thoughts and higher thinking, and to realize ourselves.
দেব দেবী নয় গাত্র বস্ত্র গৃহ গঙ্গা বিগ্রহ আশ্রয়।
Children to come here so that the aging the residents over here would be in touch with small children and their laughter and their antics, so it makes them happy and there's a happy bonding between the very young and the very old. Then our aging people were running this school, but what happened is it grew so fast and their energies couldn't cope with so many students. So now we have kept professional teachers, but they are involved with the school. They come visit, they talk to the children here on the ground, on the compound. The children play, so they interact, they talk, they act like grandmothers. So that's a normal function which is very necessary for them.
Yes.
And that brings different kind of joy and liveliness to this place. One thing we try to avoid, and that's a sense of despondency and negative feeling, depression and so on, which happens when you feel again we are all old people. That division should not happen. There must be integration of the young, the middle-aged and the aging. We don't say only the young and the aging. There should be middle people also who should come, young people who are in their 30s. So there is a lot of involvement of different ages.
My name is Ananda Sarupa. My father's name is Ruma Sarkar. My husband is freedom fighters, lost. My mother lost. Went to God. By marriage, I go to Howrah Jilla, a little town, a village, little village, and I working primary school.
She was a teacher there
Iske-
for 15 years.
After then, I suggest that my no issue. So I come to Namanur. আমি এখানে যে স্কুল আছে স্কুল है
The school there,
Oh, there
the
is
school
school.
you saw?
सो उसको मैं डोनेट करता है आई मदर ऑफ इंडिया ऑल चिल्ड्रेन आई मदर बट own no
You have no children. Some people stay together. Why do you stay alone?
alone
Yes.
इधर प्यार के लिए प्यार करने के माँ की मदर का प्यार करने के सिंगल होने से अच्छा होता है मन तंग हो जाता है नहीं तो सबके साथ रहने से डोरमेटरी में रहने बहुत फ्रेंड हो जाता है
She loves to stay alone. Because she used to pray
इधर पे
Anandamai Ma, mother of happiness. নাম বলুন জ্যোতিকা ভদ্র
বলেছি সেদিন জেসমিন JUTHIKA BHADR
জেসমিন
Okay.
ভদ্র
জ্যোতিকা ভদ্র মনে রাখবেন ভদ্র ছেলে ছেলে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং পড়ার সময় ট্রেন অ্যাক্সিডেন্টে মারা যায় তখন আমি 42 ইয়ার্সে টিচার্স ট্রেনিং নিয়ে চাকরি করতে বাধ্য হই
কিরম লাগছে এখানে
খুব ভালো আমার তো ভালোই লাগে
স্কুলের বিষয়ে বলুন একটু
স্কুল করি আমি আসার পরে স্কুল করি স্কুল আরম্ভ করতে
She
বলি
started the school. She's the first lady who started the school.
চার
চারটে বাচ্চা
Four
4
students
students were there. Under the staircase, no building was there that time.
স্কুলে অনেক দিন কাজ করি 7 বছর তারপর
7 years.
প্রবলেম এলো
She had a heart attack, then she had to leave the school.
ডাক্তার আমাকে অনুমতি দিলেন না
They used to always stay together. She comes to her room every time.
and always
sits
quarrel
here.
always quarrel
Always.
always
You with them or they together? They together.
সারাদিন দুটো হচ্ছে জানো?
I am not
They play Ludo. ছয় হয়েছে then
ছয়
তুমি
পরে
চলে যাও।
আমার পড়বে
ছয় আবার ছয় পড়েছে দাও 6 1 তুমি এটা দিয়ে দি হয়নি প্লে আবার খেলুন
ওর সঙ্গে খেললে যেতে যায় না পাকা গুটি খেয়ে নেয়
then we'll start not before that
Okay.
স্টার্ট করে দাও না বাবা
না ও হবে না
আরে ওরা তো একটু ছবি তুলে চলে যাবে
নিজের পাকা খেলোয়াড় আরো খেলতে হবে
হ্যাঁ
The house is very old and it is now falling to pieces due to lack of maintenance for many, many years. We have been maintaining as best as we can, but earlier it wasn't maintained. So the house is now in a very dilapidated state. And second is because it was not our building, it belonged to business people. And the government had requisitioned it, and now it has been de-requisitioned by the court. So it has gone back to the owners, and the government had given it to us on a short term. So we negotiated with the owners and requested them to help us to construct a building where the ladies, 45 ladies, could be accommodated. This will be our own building and our own land. No problem with being thrown out anymore or being dispossessed. Well, the total floor covered area is nearly as big. It's over 8,000 square feet, which is the old building. Building is a bit more, but we have to manage within this smaller area. But we still all have the sick rooms in this floor. We will be having our lounge and we will be having our dining room in this floor, and the dormitories are upstairs. And on the ground floor, we are going to have a sort of auditorium, where everyone sits and has programs and walks around, and a little bit of area to be free. So this is in a way modernized. So I suppose we have to have these modernization. We have to go through the process. But they love the old building very much, naturally.
Yes,
So
it's
spacious and it's beautiful. It's old design and so on. We are hoping to buy some of the new flats in the other blocks. If we can get good donors, then we can buy some of those flats and more ladies can be taken in, and maybe men also, because they desperately need, as you've seen in the other home. So we're keeping our fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. We have a lot of fun. They watch TV all together in the evening, and a lot of jollification here. We celebrate various functions, and we have feasts, and it's like a big joint family, as I say. I think I've learned a lot. When I started, I was only about 36 years old, 35, 36. But now that I'm becoming a senior citizen, I have understood that there are so many aspects to freedom, to being able to express yourself, to be listened to. I mean, these are our rights. So when we talk of human rights, I also feel that the aging have a human right problem, that that they are not heard, their voices are not heard enough, their problems are not solved. And I think we are about to lose something if we separate the elderly from our families, no matter how difficult it is to take care of them. But their being around with their understanding and affection and warmth, I'm not saying all of them are the same, because each individual is different. Some of the aging I have seen just create problems, and they have become a little difficult, very difficult with age and demanding. So it is, that makes life tough. But majority are very kind, warm and helpful. And I feel this interaction between the young and the aging will bring about the best in both, particularly the young, because they are the future of the country. And if they don't understand, if they think of the aging as being different, you know, not like us, then that will be a sad world. So we look at strategies for linkages, strategies for bringing people closer, bringing you closer to your grandfather or your grandmother, rather than finding a separate solution for the grandfather and grandmother where they have no interaction with the grandchildren.
আহা সেই দিন থেকে এ ফকির রোজ শুধু গেছে রাজার পালা তুমি জুড়িয়ে নিয়েছো সে গানে তোমার জুড়িয়ে নিয়েছো সে গানে তোমার রাজার বিরহ জ্বালা আসল রাজার বিরহ জ্বালা আর অভিনয় শেষে ভাঙায় না আমি দেখে গেছি করুণ ব্যথায় ফকিরের রাজা সাজায় ও রানী সাহেবা বিদায় তোমার সাজ ঘরে রাজা সাজবো না তুমি নকল পোশাক পরিয়ে আমাকে অনেক দিয়েছো সাজা দুঃখ আমাকে দুঃখী করেনি করেছে রাজার রাজা ও রানী সাহেবা বিদায় এবার ও রানী সাহেবা বিদায় এবার ও রানী সাহেবা